US visa application. This video is a full application process when applying for a US B1 or P2 visa. What is covered in this guide? I will discuss the following. What is a P1 or P2 US visa? How to apply for a US visa? What are the following steps that you need to do? And what are the US visa interview questions example? What is a P1 P2 US visa? A P1 P2 visa is a non-immigrant short-term visa that will enable you to enter the United States for business B1, tourism B2, or both. You can use it to do any of the following: business or B1, meeting with business associates, attending a conference, seminar, or convention, negotiating a contract or agreement, settling on state. And for tourism B2, vacation, leisure, or holiday, visiting relatives or friends, attending social events, concert, festivals, and shows, and for medical treatment. And here are the following steps that you need to do. Complete the online non-immigrant visa application form DS-160. So this is a mandatory requirements for everyone. And please note the following additional points. You must answer every question on the application form. If the answer to a question is none, please write none. Do not leave it blank. Incomplete or incorrect forms will be returned and you must schedule a new interview appointment. Second point, the DS-160 form is free to complete, so you don't need to pay for this. So let's go to this website. I will show you guys the form DS-160 online. And here we are, online non-immigrant visa application DS-160. So this is the first step in applying for a US non-immigrant visa. So to complete your application, so it takes around 90 minutes to do this. So you need to focus kasi mahaba po ito. And ang tip ko po sa inyo para hindi po kayo abutin ng oras is ready your personal information including your passport, and if you have family member or inviter, sponsor, have their information ready with you. And let's move forward. Select a location where you will be applying for this visa. So we are in the Philippines, so I choose Philippines and enter the code as shown. So NTKM, that is what I got. And take note, this visa application will ask you to upload a digital photo of yourself. So what I did, because gumawa din pa ako ng aking DS-160 for my US visa application, nag-ready po ako sa aking desktop ng soft copy ng aking passport size ID picture para mabilis po siya ma-upload. Let's move forward. Click Start an Application. And remember to write down your application ID kasi importante po to. So every applicant meron pong unique application ID. And if you still have time, you can read what is written here. So this is a kind of warning for every US visa applicant. And if nothing wrong naman, you agree, then click Agree. So assuming that we successfully completed the online non-immigrant visa application DS-160, so you will get this confirmation. And this is my confirmation guys for my DS-160. So pinapakita ko po sa inyo para magkaroon kayo ng idea how it looks like. And if you got one, you need to print this confirmation kasi dadalhin nyo po ito on the day of your biometric appointment and on the day of your visa interview. So you can print confirmation, and to be sure, you can also request to send this confirmation to your email. And at what you can see, I have this photo with me. Ayan po yung aking picture na in-upload. Step 2, collect any supporting documentation. So you need to prepare your documents ahead of time, such as your valid passport, appointment confirmation page. So you will get this after you book your biometric and visa interview appointment. So keep watching this video guys kasi papakita ko po sa inyo how you can book this.
your DS-160 confirmation number, the one that I have shown you before, your MRV fee payment receipt. So, makukuha nyo din po ito after you pay for your visa fee. So, continue watching guys because I will show you everything here. Your recent ID photo or passport photo, all your old passport. Additional documents may be requested to establish if you are qualified. For example, current proof of income, tax payment, property or business ownership or assets, your travel itinerary or other explanation about your planned trip, a letter from your employer detailing your position, salary, how long you have been employed, any authorized vacation, and the business purpose, if any, for your US trip, criminal court records pertaining to any arrest or conviction anywhere. Additionally, based on your purpose of travel, you should consider bringing the following. Students, bring your latest school results, transcripts, and degrees diplomas. Also bring evidence of financial support such as monthly bank statements, fixed deposit slips, or other evidence. For working adults, bring an employment letter from your employer and pay slip from the most recent 3 months. For business visitors and company directors, bring evidence of your position in the company and remuneration. For visiting a relative, bring photocopies of your relative's proof of status like green card, naturalization certificate, valid visa. Step 3. Log into online appointment system and create a profile. This will ensure the proper amount is paid and activated in timely manner. I'll also put this website guys under the description of this video. So let's move forward. Tinatawag din ito guys na US Travel Doc. So once you are here, you need to click Visa Login so you can create your profile. So sign up now. So click sign up now and just continue. This part here guys is the most important one because you need to remember your username because you will going to log in this website several times to complete your visa application. So don't forget your username and password. So let's move on. This will pop up to your monitor and what you need to do is just agree with this because you don't have any other choice but to click this small box here and continue. In this section, you can see the first available appointment and please take time to read every details or instructions here. Please note, it is vital that you provide a valid and correct DS-160 confirmation number when you schedule an appointment. If the confirmation number is invalid or incorrectly entered, you will not be admitted to the interview and you will be required to book a new appointment. Click Start Application. And here you need to write your details here. So for example, what is your country, what is your visa type, the embassy, post visa category, and visa priority. And here you need to choose B1 or B2 or a combination of both. So in this section, you can choose how you can pay for your visa fee. You can choose cash or by credit card. So if you choose cash, guys, you need to click claim receipt and print this because dadalhin nyo po ito sa bank. Kasi sa bangko po kayo magbabayad. Later, ipapakita ko kung saan bangko. And if you choose credit card, so this is simply simple for me. So I choose credit card here. And ito po yung lumabas as my payment details. And after this, I just click submit. If you choose to pay by cash, you need to print the payment instruction page and bring a copy to RCBC branch. Hand over the copy to RCBC branch. So this RCBC is a bank and make your consular visa application fee payment. So ito siya guys, visa application fee payment processing timeline. So cash at the bank. If you choose to pay in the bank, you need to wait at least 1 day to 2 days before po makita sa system yung payment po ninyo. So until wala po sa system yung payment natin, we cannot still book our online appointment for biometric and visa interview. So we need to wait. And so this is a kind of receipt ng US visa application fee did in the bank. So ito po yung receipt number. This is the one you need to enter para po makapag-book kayo ng inyong biometric and US visa interview. Step 4 is schedule your biometric enrollment appointment at the visa application center. Assuming your payment is already in the system, you may now book your biometric enrollment appointment. So log in into your US Travel Docs account. So itong US Travel Docs account, guys, ito siya. And because you already created your account here, you just need to input your username, password, and did the CAPTCHA and sign in. Now that you already logged in to your account, you can now book your biometric and US visa interview online. So this is the example of the calendar, and you need to choose your date and the time. Click submit. Take note, when you are done setting your appointment for the biometric collection, the new system will then direct you to the page where you can make your second appointment. So, a visa interview at the US Embassy. So, dalawang beses kayo guys mamimili ng date and time. So, yung una is for biometric and yung pangalawa is for visa interview. For example, Anna applied on January 19, 2025. So, ito yung kanyang biometric schedule, January 2095. And the earliest available schedule for the consul interview was on January 25, 2025. So, hindi po pwede guys magsabay yung biometric and visa interview. It always have 1 week or 2 weeks interval between the appointment. Step 5, go to VAC for biometric enrollment. So ito po yung address guys. So Visa Appointment Center, Parkal Building 8, Level 3, Diosdado, Macapagal, Bolivar, Tambo, Parañaque, Metro Manila. So, napakahaba ng address. Guys, medyo hinihingal na ako kasi napakahaba naman ng vlog na to. The name of the building is Kugon Building. So, it sits next to the marketplace. Operating hours, Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Saturday, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Is for your biometric enrollment, and you must bring the following: appointment confirmation letter. So guys, I forgot to include this in this vlog, but once you successfully book your appointment, you will have this. Ayan, visible siya guys sa account nyo. Pwede nyo siyang i-print. DS-160 confirmation page, valid passport, visa fee receipt, and guys, please arrive at least 15 minutes before your appointment time. Step 6, go to the embassy for the interview. So after your biometric and the time goes by, it's time for your visa interview. So ito na yung paghahandaan mo talaga guys, that you need to bring all the documents with you and you need to dress well. Example, valid passport, appointment confirmation page, DS-160 confirmation number, yung inyo pong visa fee payment receipt, recent ID photo, all your old passport, proof of income, property ownership ITRs, letter from your employment or employer detailing your position, salary, etc., travel itinerary. So lahat ng nabanggit ko guys, beginning of my blog. So kung ano po yung available documents po sa inyo that you know you can help for the approval of your visa application, then you need to bring. And the other supporting documents. Step 7, wait for your visa. So this is the last step for you. But by the way guys, sa US visa application, on the day of your visa interview, sasabihin na po sa'yo ng visa officer or nung nag-interview sa'yo na consul if you are approved or denied. Ayan. So, ganun po sa US visa application. And in case po na-approve yung visa po ninyo, if you choose to have your passport delivered to your address, your passport will be delivered through LBC Padala. And if you choose naman pick up, yan, makukuha mo po siya sa LBC Mall of Asia. Ito po yung common US visa interview. No specific questions na ito yung number 1, number 2. So, ito yung mga kailangan nyo pong paghandaan because common to guys. In all applicant po, tinatanong to ng consular or ng consul. Number 1, where in the US are you going? Kasi napakalaki ng US. Number 2, what is the purpose of the trip? So, dapat galingan nyo dito guys kasi dito nakakakuha ng idea ang consul if you will be denied or approved. Number 3, how long is the trip? Number 4, are you married? Do you have kids? Number 5, with whom are you traveling? So, dapat alam mo yung pangalan and yung information, personal information ng kasama mo, if meron. Number 6, what do you do for a living? Isa sa pinaka-critical question sa US Embassy. Okay, yung isa sa kilala ko guys, ito yung tumama sa kanya na question and yung sinagot niya is unemployed siya, automatic daw. Ang sagot sa kanya ng consul, I'm sorry, you can leave the room, your visa is denied. Okay, yan yung kanyang tanong. And yung susunod is, what is the name of your employer? Number 8, will you be visiting someone in the US? So you need to answer, it's either a friend's family, boyfriend, girlfriend, and what is your relationship? And number 9, have you visited other countries before? And number 10, do you have a family or relatives in the United States? So, isa din to sa critical question because sometimes if you answer yes, iisipin na nila ay baka hindi na to bumalik ng Pilipinas. This will be staying there for good. So, ito guys, yung mga may check, ito yung mga critical question na dapat yung paghandaan. Purpose of the trip, what do you do for a living, and do you have family or relatives in the United States? So, by the way guys, gagawa ako nito ng detailed video with answer. Hope makatulong yun sa inyo for the higher chance of visa approval. And that is for today's vlog. Hiningal ako guys kasi medyo mahaba siya, but I hope I shared to you a lot of information. So if you still have any questions or inquiries, just type your questions below. Sasagutin ko po yan, and any website that I have shown here, ilalagay ko din po sa description ng video na to para click na lang kayo ng click if you will be applying for US visa. And guys, if you are not yet subscribed po kayo para ma-notify kayo if I have new videos or about visa application, immigration. So guys, thank you so much and see you in my next vlog.